Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Microsoft Rewards gift cards in Roblox, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. First things first, you want to take your Microsoft Rewards and you want to redeem a reward here, one of these gift cards. So in our case, we want Roblox. This is one of the most popular ones actually, guys. So once you get rewarded for what you do, using this Microsoft app, you just search on it, you shop on it, you play games with it, they reward you with points. So you can take these points, accumulate them, and use them for gift cards. And Roblox is actually the most popular one. There's actually a bunch of options depending on how many points you have. There's a bunch of different tiers, guys, for these reward gift cards. So I'm going to open this up really quickly and show you the different ones you have to select from. And once this loads up, wonder why it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, so there's 100 Robux. You can buy up to 1,000 Robux at a time and redeem those points. So you have to sign in, of course, and then you can redeem your points, and then they're gonna send you the code to your email, guys. Okay. So once you receive the code in your email, I'm gonna show you how to actually do this in Roblox. Actually, let me show you how to do it from scratch. Okay, guys, from scratch on Roblox, how to redeem Microsoft reward gift card on Roblox from scratch, guys. I'm going to show you just now. Once Roblox loads up, okay, Roblox is almost loaded up, so I'm just going to wait for it to finish loading. I'm going to show you how to access this gift card section. Okay, guys, so Roblox is loaded up. You want to click on this three lines right here, and it's going to open up this drop down menu. What you want to do is come all the way down here and click on gift card, guys. Okay, gift cards, and then it's going to redirect us to a new page where it's going to show us either we buy the gift card or we redeem our code. Okay, so we can either shop for the gift cards or redeem code. So this is what you do. Click on redeem card. Now guys, this is where you take the code they sent you in an email, just paste the code here and click redeem, guys, and then Robux will automatically update and you have increased Robux right here, guys. Your Robux will increase. It's literally that easy and simple. You'll be able to redeem your Robux. And so if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want, guys, make sure to subscribe.